Welcome back to the Moral Science class 4. I have decided I will show every day the syllabus so that you don't have any trouble. Again, I am going to repeat the syllabus. 1 and 2 will not come. It has already done in the unit test. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in the second term. But 3 and 4 uh, fill in the blanks, word meaning, true and false, correct any sentence if there is there, and selective question answer. And from 6 also fall the cows, that is reading and word meaning, no question answer from chapter 6. 5 and 7, 5, 5, 10 spellings I will give. Yesterday I had already explained to you about the fill in the blanks of chapter 3, true and false, word meaning. Today I have told, that is 2021, page number of chapter 3. Today I will explain to you, I will tell you, I will ask you some question and answer from chapter 3. Not all. That is which I had showed you in the previous video. Please open your copy or the book or follow the video. Chapter 3, page number 21. Follow it. What did the father bring to his son? This is revision work. Question answer of chapter 3. Very, very important. Follow this. What did the father bring to his son? Father brought an old tattered diary to show his son, which he had maintained since the birth of his son. I am holding the question answer. Please, you question you will get from from the book, and answer I am telling you. Acha, before that some other questions are also there. Please complete this. I feel this is question number 3 from the chapter. What did the father bring to his son? This is question number 3 of page number 21 of the chapter. I am holding this. Please go through. I am holding it very carefully so that you can write. Chapter 3. Again I am going through. Father brought an old tattered diary to show his son, which he had maintained since the birth of his son. You can write on your own. I am just helping you, giving the guideline. Now come to question number 1. Question number 1 from chapter 3, page number 21. I have told you, just I am giving you the recapitulation to do the activity work of this in your copy. I don't know whether you have done. If you have done, well and good. But I am going to, this question answers are very, very important. What did the father ask his son and why? Father asked his son about that bird, and he also asked to examine. He also asked to examine his son's patience. Father, what he had done, asked his son about the bird, whether it is which bird was crying. This is the bird, and he wanted to examine his son's patience, because you know that when his son was young, a child, he used to ask the same thing to father, and father replied him many times. So now he is becoming old, and he want to taste that how his son's patience part is there. Now question number 2 of page number 21, chapter number 3. Why did the son blue ink you just follow. This is question, you can get it from the book. Please don't say ma'am cannot see. I hope you can see this part. I have written with the dark ink. And other thing you please adjust. Is this okay? Why did the son shout at his father? What did he say? The son became impatient to give answer to his father. He replied with anger that why did his father ask the same question? This is the chapter 3, question number 2. And question number 3 already I have read. I will do the only last time I will go through. That is question number 3. This is question number, before at first I read this only. Page 21, question number is 3. What did the father bring to his son? Father brought a tattered diary to his son.